Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are back with another TikTok made me do it. We're making a blueberry lemon cinnamon roll dump cake. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. Here we have all of our ingredients. Up first, we have a box of lemon cake mix. Up next, we have blueberry pie filling. We have a container of cream cheese icing, 2 sticks of butter. I think I only used 1.5 sticks of those though. And then we have 2 packages of these cinnamon rolls. So let me go ahead and grab my baking dish and we'll be right back. So we're going to start by adding the cinnamon rolls to the baking dish. We have a total of 16 cinnamon rolls. As you'll see coming up, only 15 fit in the dish evenly, and the way my OCD is set up, I didn't want to squeeze another cinnamon roll in between others, so I only ended up baking 15 total. So now that we have the cinnamon rolls in the dish, we're going to go ahead and spread the cream cheese frosting on top. Now we're going to spread the blueberry pie filling on top. Up next, we're going to go in and sprinkle the lemon cake mix on top. Now I'm just going in with my spatula and spreading that out evenly. So here I have 2 sticks of really cold butter. I am just going to thinly slice and place on top of the dish until I have the entire top covered. So this is what it's looking like after we've added all the butter. I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour. So here we are after 1 hour in the oven. It looks and smells so good. I'm gonna let it cool for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna take the glazes that came with the cinnamon rolls and we're gonna drizzle that on top. We have made it to the end of the video. Here we have our finished product, our blueberry lemon cinnamon roll dump cake. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. quick heads up, this recipe was good, but it was incredibly sweet. So if you're not into super sweets, you may not want to give this a try. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I had one cinnamon roll and that was more than enough for me. As always, I thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.